To understand how facilities and places should be organized in Custodian, we'll start with sites. In the Custodian hierarchy of places, a site is a specific physical place with a street address. A site can be one single building or a group of buildings in close proximity. But some sites can be rather large, so Custodian requires that each site be divided into areas. An area is a specific space within a site. One area could be a particular office or room number, or it could be a part of a larger room like the checkout area at a grocery store. You can create an unlimited number of areas within a site. To accommodate large companies with numerous sites, Custodian uses locations. A location is simply a group of sites. Locations are intended to help organize a company geographically. For scheduling reasons and to avoid confusion, each location is limited to a single time zone. Grouping sites into multiple locations is optional, but you will need to create at least one location in your Custodian account. So, to summarize, your company can have multiple locations. Locations are groups of multiple sites, and each site is divided into multiple areas. Okay, now that you understand the relationship between locations, sites, and areas, let's look at how to work with them inside Custodian. In the left menu panel, choose Locations, then View Edit Locations. This will display a list of your company's locations. Remember, a location is not a specific facility. A location is a generalized place name, like a city or a territory. To create a location, click the Add New Location button. Enter the name for your new location, and select the time zone. The phone number is optional. Add any additional notes or comments that you feel might be necessary for this location, and save. Repeat this process anytime to create additional locations for your company. Next, we need to create a new site within a location. There are two ways to create a new site, either from the left menu panel or from within the details page of a particular location. Either way will work fine. Click the Add New Site button. From the drop-down list, choose the new site's location. Enter the name for your new site and the main telephone number. Select the main point of contact from the drop-down list of your company's Custodian users. If this person isn't yet set up to use Custodian, you'll need to create a new user profile for them. You can see that in tutorial number 3. Enter the physical address for the new site, including the city, province or state, postal or zip code, and country. Then click Save. Repeat this process anytime to create additional sites within any of your company's locations. And finally, you'll need to create at least one area within each site. There are two ways to create a new area, either from the left menu panel or from within the details page of a particular site. Either way will work. Click the Add New Area button. From the drop-down list, select the site for your new area. Give the area a descriptive name and add any necessary notes. Then save. Repeat this process anytime to create additional areas within any of your company's sites.